You taking good care of Nina?
Yeah.
You want to put a blanket on her so she doesn't get cold? Don't try to, no, don't try to pick up Nina, okay? Just grown-ups. Carry you. Can you put a blanket on her? It's not all the way on. You want to put it on top of her? You need some help?
Yeah.
Because that same cloud thing was here.
Okay. Good job.
Today, Erin came in here to put the oven on, and I said, you'll have to use convection. But he'd already hit the
That's where her toes are?
Oh, Chris.
Mm-hmm.
When we can find it.
I'm glad I didn't.
Hi, Nina. Hi. Where? Yeah. I'm gonna put the blanket back on. Cover her back up. Is she kicking her feet? Her foot's up here. Because her pants are a little big.
Yeah. Put her feet back in there, huh? There. There.
Mm-hmm.
Nope, no, that's not a blanket. That's
That's a
for
placemat.
eating. That's where we put our plates. This is the only blanket that she needs.
She's all set.
It's all set. Yep.
You took it off again.
She wants to put it on. You want Grandpa to help?
Good job. Teamwork with Grandpa.
Put it on the table.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice, good Nina. You're good, good Nina.
You're a good cousin.